Good morning and welcome to Fun Spot Atlanta. Hello everybody and welcome back. It is Michael from Hollow Thrills back with another video, and that is right, we are unfortunately here for the final day here at Fun Spot Atlanta, and the final day for one of the greatest RMC hybrids in the world. That is, of course, ArieForce One. So we are getting our last rides here. We are out here with Ace for their HUGEapalooza event. So huge shout out to Ace for having us out here. We're going to be able to get some photos in the field of ArieForce One, get some exclusive ride time on ArieForce One. Should be a fantastic day. But before we get anything, please make sure you subscribe and have the bell notifications turned on to get notified whenever I post a video. And also make sure to follow me both Instagram and X. The links are down in the description below. But we have a little bit of a break before we start our ERT and our tours and everything. So I'll see you guys once we take some pictures inside the field of ArieForce One. And we are making our walk up to the coaster for our photo time slash ERT. I think we have about an hour of ERT. They're running some test cars through right now. I'm excited. Hopefully we get a couple rides during ERT before the general public shows up for the day, but there's a lot of people here. Oh yeah, here it comes. And the arcade roll over the arcade. One of the greatest elements on this coaster, man. But we're walking up for our photo opportunity now. They actually said that that John Arie was doing his own personal ERT on the ride, which is what the practice runs were for. So he's getting a couple rides on it right now. But like I said, we're walking back. There's a lot of people here though. Alrighty. We are walking up to be one of the first people. Let's go.
These last 4, 5, 6 weeks could have been devastating for us, right? Business could have been bad. We could have been losing money, but the coaster family came out and celebrated with us, and I'm so thankful for that. God is helping us get through this, and it's because of all the energy that you all bring, and I'm so thankful. So give it up to yourself. Yeah! And then I want to say I've got some important VIPs over here. My dad, my mom, and the red and the blue here. I've got my daughter and my son here as well. My daughter's back there doing social media. My son's right here in the blue shirt. Put your hand up. That's Alexis and TJ, and then my wife, which I'm so thankful and grateful for. She's been with me for 28 years. We married just outside of high school. But there's two other really important people here. I also want to point out Joe Drays, which is the designer of this coaster. And we also have Alan in the house, which is the Hall of Famer, legendary. But most importantly is today is my team. You know, it's the hardest thing that I've had to do is tell the team goodbye, and it's sad. These assets are great, but the number one asset I had was my team. All these yellow shirt people that I thought they were going to leave us early, which I don't blame them. They got a life. They got to pay for their power. They got to pay for their house. But look at this team here. They've been working doubles every day. They're tired, and they still bring the enthusiasm. And if you don't believe me, I can tell you. Let's just pick the closest part to here. I think it's a little north of here, maybe a little west, and I think you might know that part. This team here blows them away, and I'm so thankful for you. Yeah! Thank you for finishing this with us. Thank you for going across the finish line here. I love you all.
All right. Woo! Second official train of the day on ArieForce One. Closing day. Woo! All right. Headed up the hotel. It's so sad to see this coaster go, but hopefully a park picks it up. I'm excited to get another couple rides on this today. It's a mammoth of a coaster, and it is fantastic. But the whole park is closing. It's a sad day, but we're here. We're getting rides on it. I'm excited. Shout out Ace. But we're almost to the top. This is the world's slowest lift hill. Oh, there we go. There we go. We got off our very first ride of the day. The line's already massive to get in for another ride. So we got our little breakfast with Ace, and we're actually gonna, personally, I'm gonna walk back and take some photos and videos of the actual Raven dive and everything, but love it. Such a good coaster. Being able to finally get a POV of it was awesome as well. Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's gonna be sad seeing it go, but hopefully a park picks it up, and it's a park that's relatively close. As much as that's a little bit selfish, but I want it. I really want it to be close so I can get some more rides on it. But just such a fantastic coaster. I mean, we get to walk all the way over here to the Raven dive. I mean, it's amazing. It is really good. And the main issue that everyone's saying about getting a park to get this is this Raven dive, because it goes up in elevation, and a lot of parks don't really have a natural gradual elevation change like this, where they could fit the Raven dive, fit the lift hill height, and then also the back half of it goes downhill. It's really weird how this coaster works, but I'm interested to see where it ends up. But if this is the last time, I'm glad that I'm here for it. Get it going over the overbank into our drop down for the arcade jump. All right, as much as it is fun being over here in the field, we still have some ERT to do, so we're gonna hop back in line, get our second ride of the day, and keep on keeping on. I'll see you guys after we get off. All right, we got a bit of a wait for the back line here. I mean, just a couple people, just a few people here for this event. But we gotta get a ride in the front. We already did that, and we gotta get a ride in the back, and then we can just marathon the middle. Off our second ride all the way in the back, and yeah, park is officially open to the general public, and the line is through the main entrance truss and already around the back there. Yikes. All right, what are the odds? I'm gonna say, I already know there's no t-shirts. I'm just hoping for a pin. I'm gonna say that there's maybe a couple left. Surprisingly, they've had plenty of merch. The only thing they didn't have was the t-shirts, so I got pin, magnet, lanyard, and a Golden Ticket Award Christmas ornament. I mean, that's a pretty good haul. Just past the entrance to the line, we have a board going up here where you can sign your well wishes to Fun Spot Atlanta as well as ArieForce One. I love this. So you can go up and sign it. But and they were also giving out the farewell wristbands here. Thank you for the Fun Spot Atlanta with today's date. I love how they did this for closing this out. It's well worth it. But now that we got some clips, got some pictures of stuff, let's get in line, and hopefully we can get at least one or two more rides on before we have to leave for the day. But there is the entrance, and here is the line. Well, it is almost 1 o'clock. That was almost about an hour wait for our third go around for ArieForce One, so we gotta head home. We got about a 6.5 hour drive, and we got work on Monday, so we're calling it a day here at Fun Spot Atlanta. It's been a good time. ArieForce, hopefully, like I said, hopefully it finds a home. Hopefully this is just a see you later, not a goodbye. Hopefully it's a goodbye for now. But fantastic time here. Huge shout out to Ace Southeast for having us out here to check it out, to see it for one last ride. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure you drop a like and comment down below. Have you been able to get out here before the closure to get a ride on ArieForce One? Where do you think ArieForce will go? Personally, I'd like it to go to Wild Adventure. That's just me. But as always, I'm Michael from HUGEapalooza, giving you the all clear, and all clear means you're out of here. See you guys next time.